make sweet potato taro dessert. Let's prepare the ingredients. Let's start. Here, all the ingredients: tapioca pearls, condensed milk, coconut milk, sweet potatoes, yam, sugar, taro, and water. Exact amount in the description box. Let's prepare the ingredients. Soak the tapioca pearls at least for 20 minutes. Then we peel everything. After that, we wash it. Then we cut everything into cubes. We start to cook now. We put the yam and sweet potato in the cold water. After cook 10 minutes, we put the taro in and let it cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we add the coconut milk in. And then add condensed milk. Then add sugar. Followed by the tapioca pearls. Bring to boil while stirring. Then we cover the lid and turn off the heat. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Now it's ready. Looks good. Time for taste test. This dessert is sweet and creamy. It is very tasty. The sweet potato and taro is soft. Tapioca has good mouthfeel. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。